coming down. So this guy's just chilling in his newly refurbished enclosure. As you can see, you know, even it's what, a little after 3 o'clock. The sun for the day is on the other side of my shop here, so pretty much after 2 o'clock there's not a lot of direct sunlight. And then what's cool is the trees, these trees over here on this side of the yard, they really kind of block the sun as it comes up, like right through there in the morning. So about 10 o'clock is when it gets up past the trees, and then by about 11:30, 12 o'clock, it's you know, up dead center in the sky. So for about 2 hours, you may get, you know, the half of this thing is you know, got some sun on it. The front half, usually the back half doesn't. And then as the sun moves across the sky, it kind of comes over through here, and then it shines down into the cage, and this half is sunny, and this side over here really isn't. So there's never a time when it's really direct sunlight for prolonged periods of time. You know, I've got the little tortoise house there that they can get in and you know, get out of the sun also. And I kick these on if it gets really hot, and this moves some air and gets a little circulation. It's 2 ceiling fans under the porch, you know. So, you know, I had a lot of people, you know, on the pictures I posted earlier, reach out and say, hey, this needs to be addressed, and I appreciate all the input. You know, it's definitely good to people are, you know, wanting to help others. But, you know, this one's pretty well covered, or not covered, but what I've got here is pretty well covered as far as, you know, the sun and requirements outside. I've also got a little sunning cage over there that I, you know, can stick in the yard occasionally and let them walk around in, and that's normally their pool. I mixed up some substrate in it earlier, but that's normally a little pool I put them in and let them get a little exercise and soak. And then of course they got that tub in there with the bricks to climb in and out, and nowhere that they can really, you know, get completely submerged. So anyway, while it was storming, I figured I would come out here and kind of show a little video of this thing, just to kind of address some of the questions I've been getting, and some of the you know, much welcome, you know, advice that people give, that, you know, the pictures, you know, the little split-second picture that was taken doesn't really show the constant of how we keep reptiles, and a lot of times there's a lot that's not shown in the picture that's the normal. So and again, this is you know, they're little. Eventually I may end up walling off this whole section. I'm not super crazy about having them on concrete, but I can put down enough substrate to keep them from constantly being on concrete, and just let them have this whole porch. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. But again, I just wanted to show a little quick video of this thing. He seems to be pretty happy with it. So, you know, I got my first tortoise, I think, in 1983 or 4, maybe 85, when I was a young teenager. And on and off over the years, I've had big cicadas and other tortoises, and you know, kind of limited now on what I want to keep, and probably just stick with redfoots for a while. But anyway, hope you like it.